staking is a way for you to generate income from the cryptocurrency that you're holding. Blockchains that have adopted the proof of stake consensus mechanism offer staking. In the case of Nuls, we have adopted a variance of proof of stake called proof of credit. How to stake. I'm going to briefly show you how to stake, briefly because it's very quick and easy to do. Then I'm going to describe how staking works with Nuls. And then the third one, I'm going to show you how to locate a consensus reward transaction affiliated with your staking investment. When you stake with Nuls, you can earn 8.95% interest. When it comes to staking, there's three things that you need to do. You need to have a minimum of 2,000 Nuls available. When you stake, you can stake a minimum of 2,000 Nuls, and you can stake multiple increments of 2,000 Nuls if you choose to, or you can stake a larger amount than 2,000 Nuls. We recommend that you select a consensus node that has a credit rating of 1. That's the highest credit rating that you can have. And also a consensus node that has a 10% commission. A commission is the amount of consensus reward that goes to the owner of the node, and we recommend that the owner receive 10%. So I'm going to select Link World. It's right here. And I am going to enter my 2,000 Nuls. 1, 2, 3. Confirm and provide a password. And there we go. Here's my transaction record. I've paid a certain amount for that. And my balance is 11.043. Let's go to my assets. So as you can see, 2,000 Nuls are still sitting in my account, but it's locked. In other words, I can't spend it. I still have a usable amount of 11.043. I still have the same total that I had before. I have now staked 2,000 Nuls, and I will begin to receive an income from this staked amount in about 17 minutes. And I will describe that more in section 2. But now that I have staked it, let's unstake it. We'll go to consensus. I remember that the server or consensus node that I staked in was called Link something. So let me just type that in. Link. Here it is, Link World. And I'm going to withdraw this 2,000. I'm going to provide my password, Control V. And once again, there we are. Cancel consensus. I go and take a look at my assets, and notice it still says locking. That's because it takes a few blocks for a transaction to settle. We run a block every 10 seconds. So now the transaction is settled. This is no longer locked, and I have my 2,011 Nuls that I can spend. That concludes the first section, how to stake.